What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this asset. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that most likely we might have something like this, something like leading first wave diagonal. And if it is the case, we can connect these tops. As you can see, I connected it previously, and we can connect these bottoms in order to form the range of support and the range of resistances. And my main assumption was that probably we should retest this range of support, then we should go higher. And in my opinion, we shouldn't hit much higher targets with this next leg to the upside, and we should have a retracement from the very bottom to the very top when it will reach some ranges of resistance right here. And as you can see, we are pretty much in line with my forecast, and I have to say that the accuracy of predicting the Tesla's price action is about 75 to 80%. And you can watch the video on your top right corner or in the description below. This is the summary of my previous forecasts, and you can see how technical this asset is and how powerful might be technical analysis on Tesla. So, and what should we expect next? I will show you in my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the fundamental news. So, we don't have much news for Tesla from the fundamental standpoint, but definitely one of them is this one. It is, we are on Yahoo Finance, and this article was published just 3 days ago, and it's titled Tesla Semi Unveiled with Tri-Motor Setup, Megawatt Charging Tech. And let me quote you this. The Tesla CEO unveiled the production version of the EV maker's long-awaited Tesla Semi, an all-electric Class 8 commercial semi-truck. The event held at Tesla's Giga Nevada factory marked the first deliveries of the Tesla Semi to client Pepsi, which intends to use the truck delivery Frito-Lay products out of the company's Modesto, California facility. And I have to say that previously Tesla announced its 500 miles range with a full load of about 81,000 pounds. And right here, as you can see on this tweet, you can find that it wasn't just a journey on a flat surface. As you can see, they had decent elevation during this movement, and they went from Fremont to San Diego, about 500 miles, and they started from 97% of battery statement and ended at about 4%. Definitely it is a very good achievement of Tesla's engineers, and it shows the potential of electric semi-trucks for the entire industry. And definitely it might be quite bullish news, but on the other hand, let me show you this article. It was published right after the announcement of Tesla semi-delivery, and let me quote you this. Tesla, 3 reasons why semi-sales may be slow. And the summary is following. Tesla made its first delivery of the Tesla semi-truck to PepsiCo on December 1st, 2022. While the achievement should be celebrated, I believe expectations of 50,000 unit sales are totally unrealistic. I believe initial semi-sales will be slow, as fleet owners need data and infrastructure before they can commit capital. And the main idea of this article is that, let me show you this one. The total capacity of Class 8 truck market right now in the United States is roughly 200,000 units. And if Elon Musk wants to sell about 50,000 vehicles, definitely he should acquire about 30%, from 20 to 30% of existing market. And definitely within just 1 year, in my opinion, they cannot make this disruption. And even if Tesla Semi will be very efficient, these numbers are definitely quite unrealistic. That's why we have to be very cautious with this news as the major catalyst for Tesla. On top of that, even if they sell in 2024 the entire fleet of 50,000 vehicles, it will be, let me show you, it will be not more than $10 billion in revenue, or less than 10% of the company's 2024 consensus revenue estimates of $147 billion. Definitely this article is very useful for you as a potential investor, because you have to know all the upsides and all the downsides, and you have to realize which news might be a catalyst for Tesla and which one cannot be this type of catalyst. And let me show you further. We are on electric.co, and this article was published on December the 1st, and it says Tesla gives $3,750 discount for Model 3 and Model Y in the US this month. And let me quote you this. The move appears to be encourage people to take delivery right now rather than wait for the tax credit to take effect in 2023. Yesterday, we reported that Tesla is seeing some level of cancellation in the US right now for two main reasons. Long wait times are leading to some customers' situation changing between the time they place their order and the actual delivery, resulting in cancellation. That's quite frequent. In a more special situation, Tesla is also dealing with some customers looking to push their deliveries into next year to take advantage of the upcoming new EV tax credit. As we previously reported, Tesla is not accommodating as other automakers when it comes to the new EV tax credit, and it is holding its customers to their orders contracts, again resulting in cancellation. And definitely this discount of $3,750 might push the sales of Model 3 and Model Y in US in order to achieve better overall sales numbers. And definitely it is not the actual lack of demand on their vehicles, it is just additional circumstances that Tesla has to deal with. And definitely right now Tesla is still quite attractive. Let me show you the list of institutional owners, and we have the latest filing, one of the latest filings that was made at the very beginning of December. Rebecca Institutional Asset Management added its position by a whopping 312%, and right now it owns a bit less than $400 million in value in Tesla. And it is not the only company that added heavily in Tesla. Let me show you another company that added about 376% on November 29th, and the total position right now is slightly above $250 million in Tesla. Definitely huge increase and a very good and promising sentiment from the smart money investors into the Tesla stock. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, definitely we are still in line with my forecast, with my previous forecast, and if I am correct, definitely we should see the next leg to the upside, but in my opinion this leg shouldn't be massive. In best case scenario, it shouldn't increase the length of the third wave. And if I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave and project it from the bottom of the fourth wave, we shouldn't exceed the level of about $209.99 mark. In this case, if this asset exceeds this level, we will eliminate this breakdown according to Elliott wave theory, because third wave cannot be the shortest wave among three impulsive waves. This means I don't think that we might hit much higher targets. Most likely we will land somewhere in between $202 and probably $205, $206 in best case scenario. And then we should retest the lower range of support, and we should break it, because on a slightly bigger scale we might have this structure completed, and in this case we have to have a retracement that might land at roughly from $180 mark to $190 mark. And definitely I will do another update in order to make a more clear picture, in order to update the potential levels where Tesla might land, and then you will be able to add to your position if you want to invest in this asset. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in the this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no